In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Word automatically number your pages in just about 5 minutes. This is a fairly simple process that can significantly enhance the professionalism and readability of your documents. Whether you're working on a multi-page report, a thesis, or any document that benefits from page numbering, stick around and I'll guide you through the process from start to finish. Firstly, let's get Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. To do this, you'll need to locate the Windows Start menu. It's usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Look for a Windows icon. Once you've opened the Start menu, proceed to the search bar. This is where you can type in any program's name to find it quickly. So let's go ahead and type Word into that search bar. As you start typing, you'll notice that Microsoft Word appears as one of the top results. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. With Microsoft Word open, you're now faced with the decision of opening an existing document or starting a new one. If you're following along with a specific document in mind, go ahead and open that document by navigating to the Word home page where you'll find your recent documents, or you can open a new document if that's what you need. Next, we're going to insert page numbers into your document. To do this, look towards the top of the Microsoft Word interface for the Insert tab. It's one of the options in the ribbon menu that runs along the top of the window. Click on Insert to reveal a plethora of options for customizing your document. Now within the Insert tab, your eyes should be on the lookout for the page number option. It's fairly easy to spot and is an essential tool for us today. Once you find it, click on Page Number, and you'll be presented with several choices on how and where you'd like to insert the page numbers into your document. You can choose to have them at the top of the page, header, at the bottom footer, or even on the margins. There are also various formatting options that allow you to decide how the numbering sequence will appear. For example, you could start your numbering at 1 inch or any other number that aligns with your document's needs. Choosing where to place your page numbers is both a practical and aesthetic decision. If you're following a specific formatting guide, for example APA, MLA, etc., it's crucial to adhere to these guidelines. Otherwise, consider what looks best for your document. Typically, page numbers are discrete and don't distract from the main text, so placing them in the footer is a common choice. Once you've chosen your preferred location and style for the page numbers, Word will automatically insert them into your document. This means that as your document grows, the page numbers will update themselves, ensuring your document remains neatly organized and navigable. This automatic numbering is particularly useful for large documents where manual numbering can become a tedious and error-prone task. Finally, it's worth spending a moment navigating through your document to ensure that the page numbers have been inserted correctly and to your liking. If you need to make any adjustments, simply repeat the steps we've covered, and you can tweak the settings until you're satisfied with the outcome. Remember, mastering these small formatting tools in Microsoft Word can significantly impact the readability and professionalism of your documents. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word documents, an invaluable skill that will serve you well in many writing projects to come. Whether you're working on an academic paper, a business report, or any document that spans several pages, adding page numbers is a quick and easy way to foster a more organized and professional presentation. Thank you for joining me today, and happy writing.